Please don't tell me we run out of fuel. Right, CBR1000RR Indy R test drive. Let's fire this one up. I've got a big red kill switch, ignition switch, water pumps, fuel pump on, and a big red on button. Fire into live. Right, pretty different on here. We normally have some of the old paddle shift going on, but what we've got today is a stick. So we've got our billet gear lever, and it's push forward for first gear and then 5 all the way back. So that's first. It tells me on my clock up here as well. So it's got the standard 2016 clocks. So yeah, we've got the 38mm external cage. Go through the gears. Third gear, fourth gear, nice and gentle. Got the 2016 clocks out of the bike, so all the instrumentation is there. The RPM's got shift light on it as well. SPA steering wheel, got nice race mirrors, long acre mirrors, and plenty of visibility in this car. What's it got on the boots? It's got Yokohama's on it actually, sticky. It's got 4-pot calipers on the front as well, so brakes are pretty good because it's got the wheelwood top mounted pedal box, which is bonkers. But we've got Anna in the car next to us, and yeah, it goes. I don't even get anywhere near the limits of this thing on the road. We won't. It's a track monster. Right guys, you thought that was it, didn't you? No, it isn't. What I've done is dropped Anna out of the seat. You know what it's like? Weight is your enemy in this car, and it's all about brake horsepower per tonne. So I tell you what, I'm going to fire it up. Let's go out again. That's more like it. But you know, these cars, very lightweight. Anna's in the car. Yeah, they perform pretty well. But you know what? I just want to have a bit more fun. I want to see how it's going to go. With just me in the car. All of, I'm going to say 80 kilos, being generous here. We get up to the gates, we'll head on out. It's a nice sunny evening. We explore the 6-speed sequential gearbox, the CBR1000RR engine, power plant. Now I know there's always a debate between these and the Busa. And is it faster than the Busa? Probably not quite. Will it give it a damn good run for its money? 100%. In fact, on track, on the right track, not a lot between them, I reckon, with a weight difference in the engines and the overall chassis and everything else. So some will disagree. I've driven them both. They do it in a different way, a bit more torque in the Busa, not so much on the CBR. I think you've got 120 on the Busa foot-pounds and about 90 odd on these, depending where they go. So let's light her up, shall we? 1 forward, 5 back. Pretty hard to speak when you're trying to drive with 10,000 RPM up the trumpet. I think the sound says it all, really. Mentally fast car, way too fast on the road. Obviously you can poodle, which we are, speed limits, etc. We'll poodle around, 6th gear here at 3,000 RPM, 5th gear actually, 6th gear, there we go, what we're just under 3,000 RPM. It'll poodle along quite nicely, but obviously it's not no car engine, it's a bit different. So it likes the RPM. This revs to just over 13,000. We've got another 10,000 to go at the moment, so plenty of wiggle room. When you drop it down a cog or two, it all happens up the top end. So really, no point trying to floor it from down in the lower range down to 2,000 or 3,000 RPM. It's not really made for that. If you're a biker, you'll probably know that, and everything works at the top end. So we'll just get a little bit straighter than the national speed limit. We'll, as you can see, drop it down 5,000, 6,000, then even nail it. That's what this car's all about. Complete B-road blaster or a complete track weapon. Absolutely accelerates so quick. Mad, 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 mad. And actually the gear lever being here, pretty touring car style. Really works well. You can just whack it in back to the steering wheel. Pedal shift's good. Quite like the slip load, nice and easy, very precise, short range on it. Pedal box with a wheelwood pedal box, really good spacing on the pedal. So I'm wearing builder's boots at the moment with toe gaps and quite heavily drive it, so makes a big difference. Ah, you gotta love that. That's just naughty, naughty, naughty. Effortless to drive, very light steering. I mean, literally fingertips, guys. Look, to steer this thing is so light. I think the car's well under 500 kilos, so it's not heavy. You know, it makes a big difference in the steering with these bike engines when you've got a car engine. So what happens all here at 7,000. I could do that every day.